I will discuss about what is grade of concrete and the concrete mix ratio and also their compressive strength, and also I will talk about what is M20 and C20. Before start discussion, I will tell everyone to subscribe my channel, also like this video and share this video. So, what is grade of concrete? Grade of concrete is the designation of concrete to its compressive strength. It's denoted by M5, M7.5, M10, M20, M25, M30, M35, etc. Now I will discuss what is M meaning and the number what's meaning. So here M means mix ratio of concrete. So M is the respective ingredient proportions which are cement, sand, aggregate. That means sand means fine aggregate and these are coarse aggregate. So here the number denoted by compressive strength of concrete in megapascal or Newton per millimeter square after a curing period of 28 days. So after 28 days curing period finish, we will get 10 Newton per millimeter square compressive strength for M10 grade of concrete. Now I will show you the concrete grade and mix ratio, also compressive strength. Here you will see three types of concrete grade. First, normal grade, second, standard grade, and third, high strength concrete grades. So at first I will talk about normal grade. Here normal grade is M5. That means M means mix ratio of concrete and 5 means 5 megapascal of compressive strength after a curing of 28 days. So this M5 grade concrete mix ratio is 1:5:10. That means here 1 means cement, 5 means sand or fine aggregate, 10 means coarse aggregate. So here another normal grade of concrete is M7.5. This grade concrete mix ratio is 1:4:8. Here 1 is cement, 4 is sand, 8 is aggregate. For M10 concrete grade, the mix ratio is 1:3:6, and M10 concrete grades compressive strength is 10 megapascal. Also for M15 grade, the mix ratio is 1:2:4, and compressive strength is 15 megapascal. For M20 grade concrete, the concrete ratio is 1:1.5:3, and for M20 grade concrete, compressive strength is 20 megapascal. And here standard concrete grade is M25. For M25, concrete mix ratio is 1:1:2. That means here 1 is cement and 1 is sand and 2 means aggregate. The compressive strength is 25 megapascal. Also, M30 is standard grade concrete. For M30 to M35, M40, M45, this concrete grade mix ratio will be mixed by specialized literatures and experimental results, and also trial mix. That's why for this grade of concrete no have specific ratio. High strength concrete grades: M15, M55, M60, M65, M70, M75, M80. These are all high strength concrete grades. Here this 50 means 50 megapascal or 50 Newton per millimeter square compressive strength. Now I will talk about what is M20 grade and C40 grade, or M20 grade, 25 grade, M35 grade, or C20 grade, C25 grade, C30 grade, etc. So here M20 grade is stands for cube's characteristics strength after a curing period of 28 days, which represents 20 Newton per millimeter square compressive strength. That means here these tests are done by cubes apparatus, and these cube size are 150 into 150 into 150 mm. So for M20 grade we will get 20 Newton per millimeter square compressive strength of cube, and for C20 it's a cylindrical strength, and we will get the compressive strength 20 Newton per millimeter square. This cylindrical size is height 300 mm and dia 150 millimeter. That means height 300 millimeter and dia is 150 millimeter. Thank you for watching my video.